PM-POSHAN, Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, in September 2021, is the world's largest school feeding program. For competitive exams, it is vital to track its transition from a simple lunch program to a holistic nutrition and education entitlement. 1. Origin and evolution. Pioneer state. Tamil Nadu was the first state to introduce it in 1956 under CM K. Kamraj, and later expanded in 1982 by CM M. G. Ramchandran. National launch. It was launched nationwide on August 15, 1995, as the National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education, NPNSPE. Supreme Court mandate, 2001, a landmark interim order directed all state governments to provide cooked midday meals instead of dry rations, converting the scheme into a legal entitlement. Renaming, 2021, rebranded as PM-POSHAN for the period 2021-22 to 2025-26, shifting the focus from just meals to holistic nutrition. 2. Salient features. The 2026 perspective. The scheme now integrates with the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 and includes several modernized features. Expanded coverage. Now includes children in Balvatikas, pre-primary classes, in addition to classes 1 to 8. Tithi Bhojan, a community participation model where people provide special food to children on occasions like festivals or birthdays. School nutrition gardens, encouraging schools to grow their own vegetables and fruits to teach children about food origins and ensure freshness. Health monitoring, mandatory monitoring of BMI, weight, and hemoglobin levels. Nutritional experts are involved in districts with high anemia rates. 3. Nutritional and food norms. Competitive exams frequently ask for these specific metrics. Component. Primary, class 1 to 5, upper primary, class 6 to 8, calories 450 kilocalories. 700 kilocalories. Protein 12 grams. 20 grams. Food grains 100 grams. 150 grams. Pulses 20 grams. 30 grams. Vegetables 50 grams. 75 grams. Oil and fats 5 grams. 7.5 grams. 4. Administrative and funding structure. The scheme is a centrally sponsored scheme under the Ministry of Education. Funding pattern, *60:40, Center, States, UTs with Legislature. 90:10, Northeastern and Himalayan states. 100%, UTs without legislature. Food grains. The central government provides 100% of the food grains and bears the cost of transportation from FCI godowns to schools. Cook-cum-helpers, CCH. 1 CCH is engaged for up to 25 students, 2 for 26 to 100 students. As of 2026, there is a strong policy push to increase their honorarium, historically 1,000 rupees per month, due to inflation. 5. Major objectives and impact. Educational. Increases enrollment, attendance, and reduces dropout rates. It addresses classroom hunger, which prevents children from concentrating. Social equity. By making children sit and eat together, it helps erode caste and religious prejudices. Gender equity. Provides a source of employment for millions of rural women as cooks and encourages the schooling of girl children. Economic. Boosts local economies by involving farmer-producer organizations, FPOs, and women self-help groups, SHGs, in sourcing ingredients. Important interrelated fact, social audit. Under PM-POSHAN, social audits are now mandatory in all districts. This involves community members and external experts reviewing the implementation to ensure no leakages and that the quality of food remains high.